It can be really frustrating if you're having trouble with your TV, and one of your first instincts would be to go out and buy a new one. But before you do, here are 7 things to try if your Apple TV isn't working. The first one is to trace the cable and make sure that your TV is actually plugged in. The second one, it might be an obvious one, but that's to make sure that the TV is turned on. But try powering it on with the button on the TV itself and not the button on the remote control. The third method would be to check the remote control batteries. Maybe switch them out for a fresh set of new ones and then try turning it on that way. The fourth method is to make sure that your TV is on the right input or HDMI source. Number 5 is to check and make sure that the outlet is actually working. Maybe plug it into a different wall outlet or check your fuse box to make sure that there is power going to that particular wall plug. The sixth method, and this is providing that your TV does power on, is try updating the software or the firmware on your TV. The last method is to unplug the TV from the wall outlet for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. Now make sure you be patient here and wait the whole 60 seconds. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.